In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make oatmeal cookies easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you wanna make something special for your loved one. And when I mean loved one, I mean yourself. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. These oatmeal cookies are gonna do the trick. The first thing that we're gonna need is 1 stick of softened butter, or about 6 tablespoons or 84 grams, 1 cup of sugar, either brown or white or a combination of both, or about 201 grams. We're gonna take these 2 ingredients and mix them well. You can use a hand blender, a hand mixer, your beautiful strong arms, and add that workout to your routine. And we're looking for a cream frosting consistency. Once we have that, we're gonna add 1 whole egg. We mix that in. Always make sure that you use both arms when mixing so you'll get an even hump. Then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or about 4.2 grams. We mix that in. Now we can put that to the side and flex a little bit. We can go ahead to the dry ingredients now. Our first ingredient is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, or about 125 grams. Then we add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or about 2.64 grams. And like everything sweet, adding a little bit of salt goes a long way. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, or about 3 grams. Optional, you can add half a teaspoon of nutmeg, or about 1.2 grams. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or about 4 grams. Now we can get back to that workout. Remember to change arms for even pump, depending on your arm strength. Now we're gonna mix both dry and wet ingredients together. So if you want to do that in 1/3 batches, half a batches, or just a full batch altogether, we know your strength is unlimited. Like a good trainer, we're almost at the end. I know you can do it. It's time to get out the big guns. We're gonna mix the oats with the mixture. For this, you're gonna need a spatula, and we're mixing in 1 cup of oats, or about 80 grams. We've gotten to the most controversial part of the whole video, where you flex your muscles for the championship. And the question is, do you add raisins, do you leave it like that, or do you add chocolate chip? Well, Grasshopper, we leave this on to you. But here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna do one of each. So how much inner toppings you wanna add, you are the boss of your castle. Just don't say it that loud that no one can hear you. We take a baking pan, either add parchment paper or spray it or smear it with butter, and giving space to each cookie, we make little balls and place them. Remember, when they melt down, they take a bigger space, so you don't want to have them that close that they stick together. Or maybe you do. How can I tell Chuck Norris what to do? Meanwhile, we have our oven at 350 degrees, and we have that timer ready for 16 minutes for us to place that on the oven. You want to place that in the middle of all the middles of the oven. You're going to notice an outer rim as they cook darker than the inner rims of the rims of the rims. That's a sign that everything is going well, or that they're burning. But don't worry, Grasshopper, you're almost done. Now you let them rest for half an hour to an hour. And this is the part of the video where we cry. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.